We're back, guys.
Yep. I'm out here in the grout fit, but helping this
yeah.
bugger install his side skirts.
See, it's looking a little bare, but
Yep.
good news. Thanks to EOS, we have this EOS side skirt for the 2022 and above WRX.
Yep. And just to be clear, it is a sponsored item, so they gave it to us for free. But we're not gonna say anything nice about it if we don't have anything nice to say. So we'll be like fully open about it. I think it's gonna be good though.
Yeah, I agree. So yeah, we're gonna unpack this, and we got it unpackaged. This is what it looks like straight out of the box. So we got the side skirts in here, and we got some screws, and then some, what is this, double-sided tape?
Yeah.
Alright,
No, but install this. Okay, so the stuff that came with the box, it's these screws, which we think might be self-tapping or might not, I don't really know. And then 2 rolls of tape, double-sided 3M tape. And no instructions, so we'll be figuring it out or looking it up online or something.
Yeah, there's no instructions, but we also already took a quick search online. There's no videos on this.
Yeah.
So it looks like we're the first. But it's not that hard of an installation. It looks like these are what? Phillips head screws?
Yeah. So if it's anything like any other side skirt we've ever installed, you just gotta like put it up there and then, or put the tape on obviously first, peel it off after cleaning it and put it up there and tap the screws in, and then just like have it with like force clamped down for, I don't know, a few hours at least, maybe overnight.
Yeah, so next clip you'll see us putting it up there, and
yeah.
All right,
so we're about to wipe the dirt off the bottom so the tape sticks to it better, because we got given tape. If I was like an extra savage, I would use alcohol because that'll clean it better, but I'm not gonna.
Yeah, so the car's a little dirty now, but wiping it should do okay. Also, it's not just being held by tape. We got some Phillips head, it looks like, screws here that we'll be drilling in so it fits there. Yeah, so next you'll see is us putting on the tape.
Yeah,
that's also facts. Alright guys, so we're goofy and we realized the drill actually won't fit under the car if it's not jacked. So that's exactly what we're doing right now.
Yeah, we're about to jack it up. Get the easy right here. Roller 2. Oh yeah. Gotta pump it.
Pumping it. Yeah, so we mounted the jack onto the rear diff. Which is probably the best part because pinch welds suck if you don't have the adapter.
Alright, that's like probably high enough.
Yeah, I think so.
Should we jack stand it?
Nah. Yeah,
probably be right.
That looks pretty good.
I think so too.
Alright, let's get this done.
Alright, I'm about to start peeling this tape right here, but I'm probably going to use both my hands because I can barely even do it with both hands. Alright, we're about to put on... Oh.
Is it on?
Yeah. It's a good angle. Oh yeah, we're about to put on this lip.
It's all taped up?
Yeah.
Alright, let me know when it's aligned on that end.
I'm ready here.
Here it's all good.
Alright, I'm about to press it.
Same.
Check it out, fellas. So this thing is now fully installed. Not really though, because we gotta put screws in it still. But it looks pretty good to me. Probably not rated for like 150 miles an hour, but we don't break the law anyway, so it doesn't matter. I had it on safe. God damn it. Tactical insertion.
Yeah. Alright, so we got both of the side skirts on. They look pretty dandy to me. And now we're lowering the car.
Bruh.
What just happened?
The thing came off.
That's wild. Again, guys, we're not professionals at this, but yeah. It looks pretty clean. If you look at the fitment is very nice. Look at that. Yeah, so definitely highly recommend this EOS side skirt for the WRX 2022 and above. Yeah.
Yep, that was like not that hard. We did it in 20-30 minutes sort of.
Yeah.
Check out this man with his brand new side skirt extensions. Looking pretty fire on the World Rally Blue. Check that out. I guess this man forgot something because here he is back again. At least we get more time to show you the sweet EOS side skirt extension. Oh yeah.
Alright guys, so that's the video. There are the side skirts.
Looking very fire. We will throw in some more photos and videos and stuff of it, but as you can see, it looks really good.
So again, thanks for EOS, Extreme Online Store, for sending this part out. And it looks really good. If you need it, we'll have the link in the description, and also possibly like right here. Yeah. So yeah, if you like the video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, because there's going to be more content like this.
Yep, and we shall see y'all in the next one.
one.